Okay, so we're actually in the hallway of the Arpeggio, and we're going to take a look at the model. I want to just point out the hallway is really pretty. It's light and bright. It's very, very tall, very tall. That's probably, I don't know, 12 or 13 feet at least. It's super tall. The floor here is huge kind of tile pieces, and then over there is a carpet, so it's really, really pretty. And here's the actual home. It's got a very, very nice kind of grand feel because it's almost framed. It is framed, so it's got a dark gray frame, purple inside, and then the kind of the gray out here. So really nice, a little impressive. So let's actually walk in. So we walk in and let's see what we can see. So we've got over here, let's see, we've got the bathroom that's over here, and then we can look over here, and here is the kitchen and living room that's over there. So let's go take a look around the kitchen for a little bit. So the kitchen has beautiful tall cabinets. They're really, really tall and so nice. So I like those a lot. They're dark brown, and then there's a granite countertops that's thick, that's kind of wider, with some gray flecks on it. So that's really, really pretty. There's a lot of cabinets. I'm noticing a ton of cabinets here. So there's also Whirlpool appliances. Those are nice. And then it's got a really pretty backsplash that's here. I like this backsplash. It's nice. It's kind of a glass, but then kind of a I don't know, like kind of greenish color that's back there, kind of green gray almost. It's really cool. So that's very, very nice. I like it. And then you do have an island. We're going to see that in a minute. And then you've got a lot of space up here that you can decorate like they did, or even, store things up there if you need to. But definitely a lot of space. In here, it's the same thing. This honestly feels like 12 feet. This is a super tall apartment. So it feels great. It's got pretty lights that are here. And so let's go walk this a little more over here. So now we're at the, you can see these seats that are here. The seats are you could easily fit 3 seats there. So you may not even really need any sort of dining table, a kitchen table, because you've got that nicely covered. You've got I'd say a decent sized couch that's here, and that's a cute couch. I like that couch, by the way. So, and then the 2 end tables, they're a little snug. So the apartment itself, it feels fine, but you may bring maybe the couch and something else like that side, and don't make it too tight. And then I think you would be great. I like the paintings that they have here. Those are cool. It just looks cool. Like it. I like the that's dual paintings. Okay, over here, let's take a look. We've got a nice patio waiting over here to check out. We'll check that out in a minute. But you notice that it's about 70%. So you've got 2 patio and 2 large openings for light. And then you've got the wall over here. There's plenty of space on this wall. So you could absolutely put whatever you wanted to as far as a really long dresser. You could put this painting as well. And then you've got good space here. I would put maybe a TV, so the TV might work also. So anyway, you've got that. And I want to show you really quick the flooring. It's kind of like it's a hardwood style kind of engineered wood, and it's got brown, some gray. So it's definitely darker, but it's not way dark. It's got a lot of light in it too. So okay, so that's that, and then now let's step onto the patio.